Hello guys, welcome to my admin tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix keyboard not working in search bar on your Windows 10 or 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your keyboard is not working in your search bar, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the run dialog box. For that you need to press Windows plus R key. Here you need to type couple of the command. First command is c:/windows/system32 and hit enter. Guys, in this folder you need to find ctfmoon. You can see here ctfmoon. Just right click on that file. If you are using Windows 11, then you need to click on show more option. If you are using Windows 10, you will find here send to option. I am using Windows 11, so I am clicking show more option. In this you can see send to and click on create desktop shortcut. After that, just close this window. Again you need to open the run dialog box. Press Windows plus R key. Here you need to type second command // common space startup and hit enter. Just copy the desktop ctfmoon file and paste it here in this folder. Click on continue and close this window. After doing this, once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix keyboard not working in search bar on your Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.